welcome back to my channel, and this is Glory, and today's video is going to be about Miniso candles haul. And I got this Miniso candle on Flipkart while the Big Billion Day sale was going on, and this candles originally priced for 190 rupees, but I never see the prices drop down anywhere like Amazon, Flipkart. It is always on their original prices. So when I saw this on sale for 132 rupees each candles, so I want to grab these candles for myself. I can decorate with these candles in the living room and bedroom, and I have different fragrances also. And yeah, without any further delay, let's begin into the video. The first candle which I'm going to show you is this Miniso Inkjet series scent candle, and this is in the fragrance vanilla latte, and this comes for 150 grams of product. So the packaging looks like this, and it is in the combination of white and gray. So this is how it looks, and they gave a tester, so you can open this tester and you can smell the fragrance of the candle, and it's just so amazing, guys. It is exactly like vanilla, very nice. I did not open this, I think. Yes, the packaging is so secure, and when I open this, they have one more cardboard, and if I open this, the candle is inside. Wow, this is so beautiful, guys. And the same cardboard inside of the candle also, you can remove this cardboard and the candle is here. So this is how it looks. It says imported plant essence. So this is how the candle looks, and this is completely in the gray color, vanilla latte scent candle written over on it. So this is the first one, and everything, all the details are mentioned on the back side. Okay, it says lead free wick, smokeless, environment friendly, and paraffin wax, palm wax, and perfume, and how to use. Light the candle 3 to 4 hours. When using for the first time, keep the room ventilated. Do not blow out the candle. I can use a tool such as small tweezers to press cotton cord to melting wax. Immediately sunrise. So everything, all the details are mentioned on this cardboard. You can check it out. And this is the first product, guys, and exactly it smells like vanilla. I like this. Next product is this Miniso Inkjet series scent candle apple sake, and this is also for 150 grams. Everything is mentioned on the back side of this cardboard. This is a kind of blue and a white mixed combination. So when I open this, it looks like this, and wow, this is how it looks. And it is also in the same this cardboard and inside the candle. This is how it looks. I feel like I'm eating a cake, apple cake. This is how it looks. It's so good. This is in a blue color, and it says imported plant essence on the back side, and in the front apple sake scent candle. So this is how it looks. It just looks so beautiful. And this is the second candle I have, and I got 2 apple sakes, guys, and these are the 2 I got. And the third one is this one, and this is Miniso Elegant Series Scent Candle Delicate Lavender. This is also for 150 grams. So this product I have already used. The opening is like this, and so can you see this? So this is how it looks. The inside candle is here, and this is like different kind of packaging that comes in an oval shape, and this is like a round shape. So this is a white candle, and this is how it looks. This is a lavender fragrance. The fragrance is so good, and it is completely lavender. Those who love lavender fragrance, definitely you can try this one out. And this is so good, and the packaging, the bottle, and the candle looks so good, guys. And the last one is in the Elegant series, and I think this round shape one comes under Elegant series, and this oval shape one comes under Inkjet series. So these are Inkjet series, and it is in black color. and it comes in white and black. So this is how it looks, and it just looks so beautiful, guys. Can you see this? Very beautiful. And says Elegant Series Scent Candle Floral Bouquet. This is also comes for 150 grams. I feel like all the flowers blend together. So how it smells like that. This is the last candle I have. These are all the candles I got on Flipkart, and I used one candle, and I want to give a small review on these candles. So I used Elegant Series Scent Candle Delicate Lavender. I used this candle. We cannot expect the fragrance will spread all over your room and all over your house, and this is not going to happen. It has a very mild fragrance. If you light for 3 to 4 hours in a small room without opening any windows and doors, it may smell, it gives a mild fragrance. That's it. You cannot expect beyond that. You cannot expect the whole room and whole house scent like a lavender. So that is not going to happen. And this is what I observed. When you go near to the candle, you may smell the candle, and that's it, and you cannot expect more than this. You can buy for a decoration purpose. You can decorate your living room and bedroom, and you can switch off the lights and sit and relax. This is my personal review about these candles. This is all about the candles, guys, and if you like it, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel. If you click onto the bell button, whenever I upload a video, you'll get notified. And thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye.